Something about the new iPhones that I'm not the biggest fan of is the always on display. I really don't mind it when it comes to my Apple Watch, but for an iPhone, I don't need that always on display. So I'm gonna show you how to turn it off. You go in to your settings. Once you're in settings, you just wanna scroll down to where you see display and brightness. So let's go ahead, tap on this, right? And then from here, we have all of the, the normal settings we can do. We can do light, dark, we can change the text size, all of that. But what we really want to do for this, the purpose of this video, is go down to the always on display. Go ahead and select that. Okay, so you have a couple different options here, which is actually really nice that Apple provides this. You don't have to just turn it off entirely. If you turn it off entirely, then you'll just have that black screen, right, when your phone is off. But the other thing that you can do is turn it on, and maybe you only want the wallpaper to be off, but you still want to see all of your widgets and all of that. So if you toggle this off, right now, when I go down, there's no wallpaper, but I do get to see my widgets. I get to see the time. All right, I think this one is kind of like the best of both worlds. You get to have the always on display, but maybe it's not going to use as much battery life because of the fact that you don't have a big bright wallpaper going on. And then the other thing that you can customize is just the show notifications. If you toggle that off when the display is off, but the always display is on, it'll show exactly as it is right here. But if you toggle the notifications off, then you're not going to see any notifications pop up. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.